In this video, I show how to buy shares of Atomera Incorporated, ticker ATOM, US, listed on NASDAQ. Atomera develops semiconductor materials and process technologies intended to enhance silicon transistor performance. This is an educational demonstration only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and to add funds before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ATOM US to locate the listing. Select the result that clearly shows Atomera Incorporated on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, check the basic company description and the price chart for context. Confirm the listing details match Atomera Incorporated before proceeding to place an order. To invest, choose the amount you want to buy and set the order type if applicable, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration.